All right, so just like we combined the A and B transformations together, now we're going to just do one example where we combine the C and D transformations together. So the first thing we're deciding is whether it's a transformation on X or Y. Since this one's in the bracket with X, it's a transformation on X, and everything with X is opposite it appears. So this looks like -1, but that's going to move you to the right one, which means that you're going to be adding 1 to all of the X values. So this is a horizontal translation, right 1. Whereas this here is outside the bracket, so it's a transformation on y. Everything with y is as it should be, so I'm going to be subtracting 1 from the y, which means it's going to go down 1. Now, I still love pulling out key points, but oftentimes if I'm doing this myself, I will literally just take each point, make sure your scale is 1, but go right 1, down 1. So I'll take this point and go right 1, down 1. I'll take this point and go right 1, down 1. And then I just connect them, right? So you can simply do it visually. In fact, you could do all the transformations visually. Or you pull out those key points. We've got a point at -4, 0. We have a point at -2, 4. We have a point at 0, 0, 2, 6, and 4, -2. And to each of these points, you're going to add 1 to the X values, and you're going to subtract 1 from the Y values. So my new points will be -3, -1. Haha, there it is there. Then we have -2 plus 1 is -1, 3. So -1, 3. And it's matching what I did just visually. Okay, so you're not getting marks on transforming the points. If you do not need to do that, you do not have to write it down. Some people love it, some people don't, right? It kind of depends how your brain works. Then my next point here is going to be at 1, -1. So 1, -1, and again, it's that visual right and down, because you always want to check visually it's working. And then this one's going to be at 3, 5. And then lastly at 5, -3. Oops, that's not 5, that's 4. Right? Sometimes that can catch you. Right and down. 5, -3. Awesome. And there is your combined transformations of C and D. The next thing we're going to do is put it all together. So master these one at a time, and then when you put it all together, it won't be so bad.